पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We are in Ishavasya Upanishad, page number 22. In Bhashya, fifth mantra, end portion. Did we complete?
No, Swamiji.
Taddure taduantike. Atma Tattva, which was discussed in the first mantra, by which everything is pervaded, means everything, all Nama Rupa is mithya in that Atma Tattva. That Atma Tattva is ejati, na ejati. So from the standpoint of upadhi, there is chalanam, by itself kutastha, achalam. Taddure taduantike, it is far as Ajnani is concerned. For Ajnani, it was said, Varshakoti shataihi api avidusham aprapyatvat. An Ajnani, without seeking knowledge, even if they work for 100 crore years, they will not get it. In other words, the only way to remove this notion that Brahma is far, Bhagavan is far, Bhagavan is somewhere else, is you gain Jnanam. How to get Jnanam? By Shravanam. In other words, if a person does not do, and when we say Shravanam, Shravanam means that Shastra Shravanam which talks about Jiva Brahma Aikya. If you do Purana Shravanam which says Bhagavan is somewhere, then it is not going to solve the problem. Shravanam, when we say, means Jiva Brahma Aikya Pratipadaka Shastra Shravanam. Not Shravanam as in general satsang. Then only I will be again and again told, I am that Brahma, I am Jagat Adhishthanam, I am Jagat Karanam. Otherwise, always the buddhi will be something else is Jagat Karanam. So, if you study Purana without serious emphasis on Vedanta, then Jiva Brahma Aikya Buddhi will not come. There are a lot of people I know, they were more interested in knowing in Chandravamsha whose father and who is the son and who is their son and who is their son, and in Suryavamsha who is the father and son and lineage. With this emphasis, when you study Purana or the stories, that is not Jiva Brahma Aikya Pratipadaka. That is different. When we say Shravanam means Vedanta Shravanam, then only you will know Bhagavan means Aham, Paramatma means Aham, Ishavasya means Atmana Vasyam. For Jnani, it is Atyanta Samipa. Tadu Antasya Sarvasya, Tadu Sarvasyasya Bahyataha. Now that part, see in Bhashya. Tad Antarebhyaha, Tad Antaha, Abhyantaraha. Antaha means Abhyantar. Abhyantare Asya Sarvasya. Tad Antaha means Abhyantare Asya Sarvasya. It is within all. Asya Sarvasya. Second line on 22nd in Bhashya. Ya Atma Sarvantaraha. This Atma is Sarvantaraha. Iti Shrutehe. Ya Atma Sarvantaraha. This is given in Ajatashatru and Balaki dialogue. This Atma is Sarvantaraha. But this is given elsewhere also. So here we just take this iti shrutehe. Eshate Atma Sarvantara is given in Kahola, Ushasta, Brahmana, etc. अस्य सर्वस्य जगतो नाम रूप क्रियात्मकस्य तदु अपि सर्वस्य अस्य बाह्यतो व्यापकत्वात् आकाशवन् निरतिशय सूक्ष्मत्वाद् अन्तः. अस्य सर्वस्य जगतो नाम रूप क्रियात्मकस्य. Jagat means what? It is defined. Jagataha means Nama Rupa Kriyatmakasya Jagataha. So this we have seen, it is given there also in Ajatashatru Brahmana. In Ajatashatru, that Prakarana, which is Murta Brahmana, etc. This is Murta Brahmana. Nama, Rupa and Karma. What is Jagat? Nama, Rupa, Karma. Idam Trayam. Number is not correct. What is the number?
I don't know, but 241 it is not there.
241 is not there. Okay. It should be 341. In 341, नाम रूप क्रियात्मकस्य तदु अपि सर्वस्यास्य बाह्यतो व्यापकत्वात् आकाशवन् निरतिशय सूक्ष्मत्वात्. And it is sarvasya bahya and akashavat niratishaya sukshma. This Brahma Tattva is niratishaya sukshma. So it is vyapaka as well as sukshma. Sukshmatvad antaha, vyapakatvad bahyataha. टीका
341 and 342.
व्यापित्वाद बाह्यतो अस्ति निरतिशय सूक्ष्मत्वाद अंतः चेद अस्ति. Because it is vyapaka, therefore it is there bahyatah, from outside. बाह्यतः अस्ति. निरतिशय सूक्ष्मत्वात् अंतश्चेद अस्ति. In within also if it is there, तर्हि निरंतरम एकरसम न स्यात् मानाभावात्. Then nirantara ekarasa, it will not be there. Why? Because it is vyapaka as well as sukshma. So it has two different dharmas. It is outside it is vyapaka, inside it is sukshma. So nirantaram ekarasam na syat. This is the doubt. See 7 number tippani. 7 number tippani is on syat, na syat, that one. न स्यादिति यतः क्वचिद् व्यापित्व अवच्छेदेन बाह्यत्वं तदवच्छेदेनैव व्यापित्वम् एवं क्वचित् सूक्ष्मत्व अवच्छेदेन अंतरत्वं तदवच्छेदेनैव च सूक्ष्मत्वम् इति एवं नानारसत्वस्यैव संपन्नत्वात् एकरस्ये च प्रमाणाभावात् व्यापित्व अवच्छेदेन बाह्यत्वं बाह्यत्व अवच्छेदेन व्यापित्वं सूक्ष्मत्व अवच्छेदेन अंतरत्वं अंतरत्व अवच्छेदेन सूक्ष्मत्वं. So there is this variety difference in Atma, and therefore it may not be ekarasa. If this is the shanka, ashanka iti ashankyaah प्रज्ञान घन एव इति च शासनात् निरंतरम च. इट इज प्रज्ञान घन एव, प्रज्ञान घन, आनंद घन, लाइक विज्ञानम आनंदम ब्रह्म. सो लाइक ए रॉक सॉल्ट, बिग पीस, सो एंटायर थिंग इज salt only. Like that here also, the whole Brahmanda is nothing but Vijnana Ghana, Pragnana Ghana, Chaitanya Matra. Iti cha shasanat nirantaram. Nirantaram means without any break, continuously it is Chaitanya Matra. Ekarasam, ekarupam. So what is this bahyatva, antaratva, vyapakatva, sukshmatva? All this is aupadhika. By itself it doesn't have anything, because this bahya, antaha, vyapaka, sukshma, this is all with respect to some other dharma, upadhi dharma. So what is the nature of Atma? That is explained in 4th and 5th, 2 mantras. So you see, now 5 mantras of Ishavasya we have completed. Pay attention here, then you dwell on them. First is, what was the first mantra? Jnana Nishtha. First mantra talks about Jnana Nishtha. Second mantra talks about Karma Nishtha. First 2 mantras are clear. Karmanishtha is for whom? Those who are incapable of Jnananishtha. Those who have Naratva Abhimana. For such people, it is said, if you want to live for 100 years. So somebody should not say, no, I don't want to live for 100 years. Somebody who wants to live for 100 years means a person who wants to continue in this physical existence and thinks that physical existence alone is my existence. Person who thinks like this, for that person, that is what is meant. So that was the second mantra. Those who don't take sannyasa. So who should take sannyasa? Those who want to increase their jnana nishtha. Means those who are actually thinking that moksha should happen in the form of my jnanam now. There is no delay. Those who say, "Arey, not in this life, next life is also okay, and if not next life, another life is also okay. We don't have any urgency as far as moksha is concerned. वो तो मिल ही जाएगा." So then for such people, they will do things at their pace, slowly. They have no rush for moksha. So their mumukshutvam is madhyama mumukshutvam. There is uttama mumukshutvam, madhyama mumukshutvam. This is madhyama mumukshu. Manda mumukshu is, in this kalpa, sometime if we get moksha, it is okay. In this kalpa, means Kali Yuga is over, and then after that another Satyuga, Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, sometime within that whole cycle, कहीं ना कहीं तो अपना नंबर लग जाएगा. So then that person is a manda mumukshu. And then there is one ati manda. He says, I am not going to put forth any effort. If moksha has to come to me, let it come. Such people, kalpakoti shataihi api, that is that category. 100 kalpas also will go, they may not get it. So this is first two mantras. Third mantra was ninda of karmi. By doing ninda, what is said is, you go for jnanam, atma jnanam. Then fourth and fifth mantra talked about nature of Atma, Atma Swarupa. Now sixth and seventh mantra will talk about Jnanam Jivan Mukti and the Prayojana Jivan Mukti in the form of Shoka Moha Nivritti, Samsara Nivritti. Both of these will be given in the next two mantras. So, see the Anandagiriji's Tika. Uktatma Jnanasya Phalam Vidhi Nishedhatit Jivan Mukta Swarupena Avasthanam Ityaha. What is the Atma Jnana Phalam? Vidhi Nisheda Atita. You have no Vidhi, no Nisheda for a Jnani. निस्त्रैगुण्ये पथि विचरता को विधि, पथि विचरता को विधि को निषेध. सो विधि निषेध अतीत इज जीवन मुक्ति अवस्था, जीवन मुक्त स्वरूपेण अवस्थानम इत्याह. यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मन्येवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते.
यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मन्येवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते.
यह तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मनि एव अनुपश्यति. Yaha, he who, means whoever this person is, who has attained jnanam. What is the nature of that jnanam? Sarvani bhutani atmani eva anupashyati. He sees all beings within oneself. Now this is always a tricky thing to understand. How to understand all are in me? So somebody will close the eye. No, you understand me means Atma, Brahma. This you will not understand without thorough study of Shastra and removing Viparita Bhavana. If you go on imagining all are in me, and me means you think this body, in this body everybody is, this is wrong. All are in me means all are in me Brahma. Me means Aham pada lakshyartha. Aham pada lakshyartha, which is not different from tat pada lakshyartha. In that me, sarvani bhutani. So then it is very clear, sarva bhuta is only nama rupatmaka. Everybody, everything including this Sharira, is only Nama Rupa. This is what is given in Bhagavad Gita also. And Sarva Bhuteshu Chatmanam. And all beings are in that Atma. Means in me, which is the non-dual reality. Sarvabhutasthamatmanam sarvabhutani chatmani. Then, second line.
Sampashyan paramam brahma. Sampashyan brahma paramam.
Then, who will complete this Chaturtha Pad? Yati Nanyana Hetuna. Good. This is Kaivalya Upanishad mantra. Bhagavad Gita is also there. Sarva Bhutasthamatmanam Sarva Bhutani Chatmani Ikshate Yoga Yuktatma Sarvatra Samadarshana. Good, but I am happy that people are remembering. So both this and similar mantra is there in Manusmriti. So Kaivalya Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Manusmriti, Ishavasya. All four have this similar idea. But that similar idea is to digest is very difficult. That I am that Chaitanya Sanmatra Brahma in which all bhutas, all jivas, they appear only as Nama Rupatmaka, nothing else. And I am in all. Sarva Bhuteshu Cha Atmanam. So now bhutas are in Saptami and I am in Dvitiya. Pashyati Sarva Bhuteshu Chatmanam. Here it is given Sarva Bhuteshu Cha Atmanam Pashyati. Yaha Pashyati. The one who sees this way. So one who sees all in Atma. Sarvani Bhutani Atmani, Atma in Saptami. And then Bhuta in Saptami, Atma in Dvitiya. Yaha Pashyati. Tato na Vijugupsate. Then there is no Vijugupsa. Vijugupsa has two meanings. One meaning is there is no greed. And Vijugupsa also means there is no jealousy. So here it is taken in the second meaning. There is no jealousy for anybody. So somebody is very jealous person, let us say. Anything happens to anybody says anything, they are jealous. When will this go? Only through Brahma Jnanam. How will Brahma Jnanam remove jealousy? When I know I am Brahma, there is no Anya. Yatra nanyat pashyati, nanyat shrunoti, nanyat vijanat. Anyatva nishedha will happen. Then there is no jealousy for anyone. So, if I have jealousy means, yatra anyat pashyati, anyat shrunoti, anyat vijanati. Tadalpam. Then I am parichinna, finite, and I have this dosha. So best is, instead of doing anybody else's vichara, you do Brahma vichara. Instead of thinking of others, you think of Brahma, all your problems will be solved. You go on thinking about others and all, you will be there where you were, wherever you started your yatra, there only you will remain. So now in this, what is the main thing we should understand? See, such mantras talk about Jagat Mithyatva, Upadhi Mithyatva. Now somebody will ask, what does this mantra have to do with Jagat Mithyatva? What is the connection? So connection is this. Unless all upadhis are mithya, both these vakyas will not be possible. That all are in me also and I am in all also. Both vakyas will not be possible. If all are in me, let us say I am that big and in which everything else is. Let's say Akasha. In Akasha, everything is. So in Akasha, if you say everything is, and Akasha is in everything, that means Akasha pervades everything. And all, whatever Nama Rupatmaka Srishti is there, it is Karyam of that Akasha only. Akasha alone appears as all Nama Rupa. The other example we give is of the ocean and waves. All waves are in water, ocean. And inside each wave also there is water. So in Samudra, tarangas are there. So Samudra, Jala will say, all are in me. And the wave water, Taranga Jala, will say, I am in all. But there is no Bheda between Samudra Jala and Taranga Jala. It is one only. In other words, waves are only appearance in Samudra, in ocean. Ocean is there, waves are just appearances. We give a name to a form that appears, arises, disappears, goes away, arises, goes away. Oh, next wave is bigger than the previous, next is bigger than. Like how people say, oh, next generation is smarter than previous one. But next generation is also dukhier than previous generation. How people were sukhi in previous generation. They didn't have too many gadgets, but they were happy living in some small town, small farm. So you say, okay, then you also live. No, I don't want to live. Nobody wants to live a simple life, and therefore they are dukhi. So every next generation is smarter also and in trouble also. But that is only like how we say the waves, oh, this is bigger wave, this is next is even bigger wave, even bigger wave. They are only Nama Rupa. There is no real thing. In this way, all generations are people and everything. Entire Srishti is only Nama Rupatmaka. So that is what is indicated here. Yastu Sarvani Bhutani Atmani Eva Anupashyati. Now what is the meaning of the word Anu? Atmani Eva Anupashyati. So Atma means Brahma, Chaitanya. Lakshyartha Atma, not Vachyartha Atma. Atma means Nirupadhika, Brahma. Pashyati means Janati, Jnanam. It's not that with your eyes you are going to see some such thing. Understands. Pashyati here means understands. And Anu means, Anu has two meanings. Anu means one is Paschat. And second meaning of Anu is Nitya. Paschat means after Gurumukha Shravanam is done, then only he'll be able to understand. Without Shravanam from Gurumukha, this buddhi will not come that I am Brahma and in me all Nama Rupas are Vivarta. So this is Guru Shastra Shravana Paschat. Guru Shastra means Guru Mukhat Shastra Shravana Paschat. Pashyati. And second is Nitya. Not that for 20 minutes I understood whole world is in me, Brahma Chaitanya. After that it is gone. Nirantara this buddhi remains. This understanding should become my wisdom as much as if I am wearing, let's say, this shawl to cover me, it is always with me as long as it is there. This understanding doesn't go away that no, I don't have shawl right now. Where is it? I start looking for it even when it is right on my body. Or this Rudraksha, they give the example. Somebody is wearing the Swakantha Abharanam, and you start looking, I lost my necklace. Kanthachami Kara Nyaya it is called. So this buddhi constantly remains. Oh, this is me. And for that one has to strive. Because this much understanding that I am that Brahma, while you study something, while your mind is somewhat calm, some sadhana chatushta is there, you immediately understand, I know what they are saying. But with that much only, if the work would happen, then Brahmanishtha, sannyasa, these things would not be required. That's what we saw in the first mantra. So for that alone, you need whole life transformation. And sarva bhuteshu cha atmanam pashyati. In Bhagavad Gita, there is immediately another shloka in 6th chapter, 30th shloka. Yomam pashyati sarvatra, sarvam cha mayi pashyati, tasyaham na pranashyami.
Sachamena pranashyati.
Very good. Somebody who is answering without seeing. Sachamena pranashyati. Yo mam pashyati, Bhagavan says, yaha, he who mam pashyati sarvatra, sarvatra pashyati. The one who sees me everywhere, not in the temple in one corner. And sarvam cha mayi pashyati, who sees everything in that Paramatma. This is tatpada lakshyartha. So not only I have to see myself everywhere, I have to see Paramatma also everywhere. In other words, there is no bheda between myself and Paramatma. Sarvam cha mayi pashyati. Tasya aham na pranashyami. For that person, Paramatma says, aham na pranashyami. Now what is the meaning of aham pranashyami? Bhagavan's nasha is not possible. So tasyaham na pranashyami means I am never destroyed for him, means I am never away from that person. Whenever that person thinks of aham, that person is thinking of Paramatma. This is Jnani. Sachamena pranashyati, and he is not destroyed for me, means Bhagavan says, whenever I remember myself, I am remembering that Jnani. That's why he said, Jnani tu Atma eva me matam. Atma eva me matam. Jnani is my Atma. So, this is Jivan Mukti Avastha. That there is wisdom. All other lakshanas which we have seen in Sthita Prajna Lakshana or Bhakta Lakshana, etc., they all are outcome of this jnana. Here in Upanishad, the main one is pointed out. In different places, in Kathopanishad, the main one that is pointed out is that kamanas are gone. He is desireless because he is Brahma in whom there are no desires. This is Mukhya Lakshana. Everything else is because of that he doesn't have Sukha Dukha, he doesn't have Raga Dvesha, etc. I see Raga Dvesha in Jnani. You see that person as person with body, mind. He is not body, he is Brahma, he is Chaitanya. You have Bhranti, not that person. No, but I think that person's moksha is in trouble. You are in trouble. You don't worry about that person's moksha. So, Ajnani, they are more worried what will happen to Jnani. Jnanis don't have to worry about Ajnani. जो उनका है वो हो जाएगा. ततः तस्मात्, ततः means तस्मात् कारणात् न विजुगुप्सते. There is no vijugupsa, there is no ईर्ष्या, or there is no bhaya adi vikara, there is no jealousy, etc. न विजुगुप्सते. Bhashya we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.